So greetings my friends, how are you doing? This is Zed from Zed Outdoors and I hope you're having an awesome day. So in this video I want to introduce you the Bodgers Ball, which is the annual meeting of an association of pole lay turners and green woodworkers. In short, it's an association that's the biggest in the UK for everything kind of green woodworking related, and the Bodgers Ball is like the annual meeting. There's a plethora of displays going on, there's competitions, etc., and a lot of craft and skill being shown as well. So this video is a little bit of everything. It's going to give you a flavour of what's going on here. I've been there for about the past 4 or 5 days. There's a pre-fest courses that they run by all the crafts people that are coming down there. So many of them run courses for 1 day or 2 days or even 3 days, and I attended one making a Mochatorgan, which is pretty cool, right? So what I want to do in the rest of this video is show you some snippets of what's going on at the Bodgers Ball 2018. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. So what we have here is an association called Tools for Self-Reliance, and there's a group of volunteers, and what they do is they collect woodworking tools from all over the UK by associations they have dotted around the country, and then what they do is they collect all those tools together, they sell it at events like this, and every single penny raised goes towards charities in Africa. They do some incredible work, and the beautiful thing is you are able to pick up woodworking tools, which I'll show you in a second. An absolute bargain. As soon as these guys open up on the first day, they just got bombarded by all the attendees, but they're selling really high quality tools, all vintage, that you can't get anywhere else for a fraction of the price that you can get anywhere else. So it's one of those reasons to attend Bodgers Ball. But let's have a look at their tools and I'll show you for myself. So here you've got a lot of the leather working stuff, the planes, the hand drills. Got the mallets, the sharpening stones. Here you got a load of vintage. They had loads more stuff here. Most of it's sold. They've got predominantly vintage gardening tools that you can't get anywhere else. So here they've got all selections of gouges of every size you can imagine. They've got the chisels, they've got vintage knives, all the hammers, tools, leather dies. Got a selection of all the axes over there. Honestly, an incredible selection. So this is like a fraction of what they had on from the first day, and honestly most of it just got sold out. Some stuff I bought myself as well for a fraction of the price you pay elsewhere. So there you go, the Tools for Self-Reliance. So here we've got Christine Brewster, who's been doing willow demonstrations and classes all weekend. That's Christine over there. And you've got one of the students making a basket. So this is crafts work from 2 friends of mine, Werner, who's come from Germany, and Cyril Somani, come from France. Hey. And so Cyril, very talented craftsman, and the collaboration. I spent the Friday with him actually doing a course on making a Mochatorgan, which is a Native American knife, and this is some of their wares that they've made. They're selling on site, demonstrating a lot of craft work. Cyril, so I have some French viewers, okay, so you can say something in French to the French viewers of this video, in French.
In French, faites des cuillères les gars.
And that means?
That's make spoon guys.
Yeah, I'll see. Thank you. The guys do some beautiful work. They've been teaching there. Pretty much most people who are demonstrating there are teaching skills as well, which is a great thing. So this is not the exact one I've made, but basically made it a similar one to this Mochatorgan here. So the anvil is over here. So we've done the woodwork just where the table was. We had a gas forge running, and just over here, which was fantastic. So what's going on behind me is a competition. So what the Bodgers Ball do every year, they run a competition for various aspects of craft and green woodworking, and they have different categories. So people submit of all levels, all their work, from spoons to baskets, or a whole range of items, and then they judge them and give them the awards, whoever won. It's a fun thing. There's nothing kind of like really competitive about it. It's just a real fun way of demonstrating your work. So let's have a quick look. So for example, you have the categories of the armchair. It's all handmade, all very kind of different. And you have people of all skill levels that are kind of contributing their work. It's a beautiful high stool there.
In first place is Adam Hawker.
Some beautiful baskets here, a mixture of hazel, willow. And here we've got a leather bib from Richard Roberts. What a fantastic leather carving bib. So here we have the main marquee, and what they do here, this is kind of housing a lot of the courses that are run. So they run pre-fest courses from all sorts of craftsfolk. You can see lathes at the back end, they're teaching pole lathe, bowl lathe, instructors like Adrian Lloyd, Sharif Adams, etc. They've done all sorts of work like cookser carving courses, spoon carving courses, willow basket courses, hazel basket courses, the list goes on and on and on. So I attended it myself, attended a pre-fest course myself. So this event can technically run on for about 4 or 5 days.
I'm not going to what he enjoyed. In third place was Ricky Bodger.
I know we're doing well, but the other
Well done, guys. There's no actual monetary award for third and second, but there is for first. So in second place, and it was quite a nice store, was, I've got to look at this carefully now,
It's like leather, isn't it?
an Irish name. Winning team in the team lot to leg. And not only that, they cheekily named their team.
So this is from the renowned Sean Hellman, very talented craftsman, sharpening extraordinaire. Learned a lot of things from him. Hope to do some collaborations with him in the future. So he's written some great books. Makes his own draw blades as well. Does fan birds
I'll introduce you
that
because
you
you
can
won't
see
know
over
many of them.
here.
This is Andrew Coleman, who is the Sussex
So these are really cool. This is a book he's written, a fantastic book. I've got a copy myself.
Andrew's boss. Sorry. We've got Mark Avery here, into the frame here. Right, now, because of shuffling things around, it looks quite possibly that we might not run the exhibition race today, unless, of course, there's a demand. That's from you. No, no, look.
So you've got more vintage tool shops, you have loads of them selling all sorts of antiques. I picked up a few bits from here as well. Some really, really nice stuff. So you have seasoned timber, that's for sale. Components for a shave horse body. Some really nice stuff here actually. So a lot of guys who do turning and whatnot, and making furniture. This is a great place to source it from. So you've got a blacksmith on site doing a lot of forging. At the moment he's closed the forge down, but he's been making some really cool stuff. He's been making some amendments for some of the attendees. And look at these cracking stoves here.
cleaned up. Oh no. Oh no, I've cut cake.
So there you just saw an English clockmaker, and now we're going to visit a Dutch clockmaker.
Yeah, right, man, in 5 weeks.
So that knotty bit, it's kind of, it's undesirable, but it's an epicormic. There's no depth to it, so that'll get chopped off in the processing.
Really, they're running pretty true to form now. You weren't having to turn it over, were you?
No, that's all right. No, you.
Yeah, well, I'm on your punter here, really.
This is the saw I bought, and I'm using all this kit to sharpen it up.
So this event is actually set at the Weald and Downland Museum in Sussex, at an incredible location. I will visit here again to do a video specifically about here. But it's an absolutely stunning backdrop. So there you go, guys, that is a wrap for this video for Bodgers Ball 2018. It's been an incredible weekend, been here for 5 days now. So what this is, in short, once again, is the annual gathering of the Bodgers Association, which is the largest green woodworking association in the UK. I'll put a link down below to the association I'm a member of. It's how I make a lot of my connections and meet some amazing people all over the country. They organise localised meetups pretty much every month in most parts of the country. So I will put a link below to that, and I'll put a link below to the event itself. It's one of my favourite events of the year. I always enjoy coming here. Met loads of great people, had a great time. I made loads of great connections and future collaborations. So that's something I'm looking to explore as we move forward. And so this is the kind of weekend where the main event is held at, and then the 3 days before then is pre-fest courses. So because you have so many talented crafts from here in the UK and from abroad that come over, it's an opportunity to spend, you know, 2-hour course with them, a half-a-day course with them, or even a 2-3 day course with them, learning a multitude of skills. So hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's just a brief glimpse into what's going on. There's so much more. It's impossible to get everything. So I hope you enjoyed the video, what we did see. Like I said, the links will be down below to the event itself and the organisation, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, I hope whatever you're doing, you have a blessed day, a blessed week ahead. This is Zed from Zed Outdoors. Peace out.